is the story of letter sound N. A girl and her grandfather are fishing by a pond. Grandfather has a fishing rod and the girl has a net. Suddenly, they hear a loud and nasty noise as a plane flies overhead. The girl runs around pretending she's a plane, saying, This is letter sound N. And this one, how you write letter sound N. Letter sound N. And how you write letter sound N. Okay, this is the action of letter sound N. I will show you and you need to follow, yeah? You put your hands like this and pretend that you are an airplane, okay? Like this. Can you try it? Okay, this is the things that start with letter sound N. First, we have nail. Second, we have newspaper. And then we have nest. And the last one, we have net. Okay, now let's rehear the sound of letter sound N. Let's go, music.
Hear the airplane. Hear the airplane. Hear the airplane. Making lots of noise.
Okay, one more time. Don't forget your hands like an airplane. Okay?
Hear the airplane. Hear the airplane. Hear the airplane. Making lots of noise.
Good job, Rainbow Kids. Okay, Rainbow Kids, now let's redo this worksheet. Choose 3 rainbow colors and write N below. Start at the arrow. Okay, so I already have one box of crayon here. I will choose red, green, and also blue. Now we first use red. Don't forget to follow the arrow. Start with straight line and then make a curved line. Okay, start with straight line and then make a curved line. Next, I will use blue. Straight line, curved line. Straight line, curved line. Green. Red again. And the last one, blue. Okay, that's how you write N, and then write N sounds along with the line carefully with a pencil. Okay, now I already write dots here for letter sound N. You need to follow it, okay? Straight line, curved line. Straight line, curved line. Okay, you can try it at home here by yourself without a dot, or if you have problem you can ask your mom or your dad to help you, okay? Yeah, now let's reset this picture. This is the picture of nail. N for nail, N for newspaper, N for nest, and N for Nemo. Good job, Rainbow Kids. Okay, that's all about letter sound N. Let's meet again in my next video. Bye bye.